Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate a Starlink account. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Starlink website. Once you are on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see three horizontal lines. Click on those three lines to open the main navigation menu. After clicking the menu, a list of options will appear on your screen. Look through these options and find the one labeled Sign In. Tap or click on Sign In to continue. After that, look at the right side menu and click on Activate your Starlink. After you click on Activate Starlink, you will be taken to the activation page. Here, you need to enter the identifier number in the required field. You can find this identifier number on the back of your Starlink box. Once you have entered the identifier number, move to the next step. You will now see a field where you need to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you can access. After entering your email, you will be asked to choose between using an existing account or creating a new account. If you already have a Starlink account, select the existing account option and sign in. If you are new, choose the option to create a new account and follow the instructions to set it up. Next, you will be asked to choose your service type. You will see options like residential, roam, or other available plans. Select the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your service, continue to the billing section. Here, you will need to enter your billing details. This includes your payment method and billing address. Make sure all the information is correct before moving forward. Finally, review all the details you have entered. When everything looks good, click on Place Order. Your Starlink activation process is now complete. Thanks for watching.